from requirement to test point in Altium Develop. A requirement is only useful if the team can eventually prove it on real hardware. Yet, in many projects, the path from a requirement statement to an actual test point or verification step is vague, manual, or missing altogether. That creates risk not just for quality but for confidence. In this video, the focus is on following a requirement all the way to test a point in Altium Develop. The reason this matters is simple. Verification should not feel like a separate universe from design. Testing often inherits ambiguity from earlier phases of the project. Requirements are written at the start, but when boards are built, the test plan may live in its own documents and spreadsheets with weak links back to the original expectations. If a test fails, the team has to ask several hard questions. Was the requirement misunderstood? Was the design wrong? Was the test incomplete? Without strong traceability, answering those questions is slow and frustrating. This also affects planning. Test engineers may not know which requirements are most critical or which parts of the design carry the most verification risk. The result is often a verification process that works, but not as efficiently or transparently as it should. Altium Develop supports a more connected approach by letting requirements live as visible items in the workspace and connect to real design elements and verification activities. A requirement can point to a subsystem, a set of nets, a group of components, or another defined piece of the design. From there, the team can associate that same requirement with the test or test points intended to validate it. This creates a much cleaner and clearer chain of events. When someone looks at the requirement later, they can see both how the design intends to satisfy it and how the team intends to prove it. That improves not only traceability but also engineering discipline. The design and the test plan stop drifting apart because both are anchored to the same requirement in the same collaborative environment. For test engineers, this means planning becomes more grounded and less dependent on guesswork. Designers can better understand the downstream impact of their changes, especially if those changes affect test coverage or assumption. Project leads gain a more realistic picture of verification readiness before signs of in safety, conscious, or customer sensitive programs. That visibility becomes especially valuable because it makes the path to confidence easier to demonstrate and defend. To try this in a practical way, take one requirement that truly matters for system performance or compliance and map it inside Altium Develop to the relevant design area and the intended test method. Build that one visible chain from expectation to proof. Once the team sees how useful that connection is, extending the model to more requirements becomes much easier.